What's going on, YouTube? This is not a micro scale garage, but this is one of my vlog videos. Back into my Raspberry Pi hobby phase. Me and my son, we went and picked up some Raspberry Pi Zeros, W's. These are not the WH's with the headers, so we're gonna have to put a header on. These are just the W's, the $10 ones. I finally went and got him a micro HDMI adapter. I'm running RetroPie on it. This one, I wanted to build a header screen, and I also wanted to use this speaker hat on it. I just got this in the mail, and this 8-bit Duo. We want to use this Zero here for the Exumi Mi box that we got in the bedroom. Maybe I can try and play games on it. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll see. Quick little unboxing. I've already unboxed the tape. I thought it was just the screen, but there's another box in the box, so it makes it even smaller. And this is the Pi 3.5-inch screen, I believe, not the 2.8. This is a Key Studio Rye TFT 3.5-inch touch shield. So I want to put this on the Zero, but I was wondering if I could use that speaker, you know, for like amplified sound, because this is not HDMI. This screen is going off the GPIO pins. Excuse me. So this speaker right here would get the sound from the GPIO pins, and I was already looking on YouTube. I have wrote a comment to this guy's channel. Thank you very much, Chris Burton, for helping me out.
That's great, but sometimes
he had helped me out with this pinout here. He gave me the link for the pinout, and I was looking at the pinout. This is for the speaker fat. That uses 5-volt here, but the screen is going to use I believe 5 and I believe 12. So I think that's conflicting. You know, as long as it's not conflicting, you can stack them, but if it's conflicting, you can't stack them. So that's just something that I'm trying to learn right now, and if I can use it and if I can build it this way, because I wanted to try and put it all in my Game Boy. I got a couple of these purple Atomic Game Boys. My wife was kind of mad. She's like, "Why are you doing this to my Game Boy?" And I'm like, I want to build RetroPie in a Game Boy. But I think I need a 2-point, so I got to order a different screen. And then I'm going to try and find one with HDMI, so that way I can just pull the sound from like a tiny little, maybe run like a tiny little HDMI adapter, if I got room in here. I mean, because that's already taking up space. You know, if there's a tiny little HDMI adapter where I could just plug sound in, and then bam, run sound straight from that, and then screen would have its own, you know, HDMI, and I ain't got to worry about everything, just try and simplify everything. And then on Amazon, I found like a Pi Girl from Adafruit, the controller, but that's GPIO. So I got to make sure that's not conflicting. So, like, share, subscribe. This is, I guess we'll call this Pi Adventures, a new series that I'll be doing. And then, yeah, the Bronco, I got to rebuild the axles because something's going on with the brass, the extra speed brass. Yeah. So, like, share, subscribe. That'll be up in the next up and coming micro scale garage. I ended up fixing my GoPro. Ordered some more stuff off Amazon. I got this door, so I squeegeed my GoPro all back into its waterproof case. If I take it out of it, it don't work that well. So it's been beat up without the case for a long time. So that's what you get for not using the case, dropping it and stuff, dropping it in water. It doesn't like it. It's got to be in a waterproof case. But alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully in the next video I'll have this screen running something and built. Let me know in the comments if you guys just want to see me just build it and see if we fry it or not, or if you guys just want to see me done and after I do my research and then get it built, then I'll tell you guys how to build it. So let me know how to do it. Alright, peace out.